Hi, one of my favorite things doing my own facial treatments, because then I know what's in the product, I know what's going on my skin, because as you know, your skin is your largest organ, and whatever we put on there does seep through the skin into our bodies. So my concern is women's cosmetics right now. There's a lot of chemicals in them sometimes, and I want to put less and less on my skin that is not good for me. So we are going to make today a light daytime moisturizer. One of my favorite moisturizers because, like it says, it's very light. You don't even feel that it's on your face. If you wear makeup, your makeup will go on really easy. You won't get those little raccoon eyes because your moisturizer is, making your mascara streak. So it's awesome, it's easy, inexpensive, and it's pure, so you know what's going on your skin. So I am going to make that with you today, and I have decided to use comfrey tea with comfrey out of the garden, because comfrey actually helps to rejuvenate your skin cells, and it actually helps to create new skin cells. So one of my favorite herbs is comfrey, and I like the idea of using a moisturizer that's actually rejuvenating the skin cells. So that's what I'm going to do. I did a comfrey tea. I just put maybe about a quarter cup comfrey in a cup, poured some boiling water on it, and that has been steeping for most of the day. So probably about 6 hours it's been steeping. And I'm going to use that in this moisturizer. So we're going to put half a cup. Let me get my cup. So half a cup. So this is a quarter cup, so I'll do 2 of these. So half a cup of comfrey tea, and I'll just show you how beautiful this comfrey tea is after it's been steeping. So there's the comfrey from the garden that's been steeping, and I'm actually going to keep that and put it in the compost, of course, because my cousin Wendy also gave me a tip. My herbal cousin Wendy said that comfrey and nettle is great for the composter for breaking things down. It's like a compost accelerator. So I'm definitely going to make some nettle tea and add this together and put it in the composter. So comfrey is fantastic for skin issues. I personally don't use it internally because you really have to know what you're doing with comfrey to eat it internally. So I stay away from that, and I just use it topically. So we're going to do that. We're going to pour half a cup of comfrey tea in our bottle, and I'll keep the rest for a compost accelerator. So that's our comfrey tea. And some consider comfrey tea as an anti-aging herb because of the rejuvenation of the skin cells. So they do consider it an anti-aging herb. So comfrey, one of my favorite things, as you know. So we put half a cup of comfrey tea. If you don't have comfrey in your garden, or you live in an apartment and you don't have a garden, no worries. Go to the health food store and get your favorite tea. Just make sure that it's going to be okay on your skin. So research a little bit and make sure you're buying something that is going to be good on your skin. Steep the tea and come up with your own tea. That's fine. It's awesome. It works good. So half a cup of comfrey tea, and then we're going to do 2 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin you can also get at the health food store. So we're going to do two teaspoons of vegetable glycerin. This feels so awesome on the skin. I love it. Okay. And then we're going to do 5 drops. What did I pick here? I picked rosemary. Rosemary is actually, this is rosemary essential oil. Again, you can get it, oh, just about dropped it. You can get it online or you can get it at the health food store. Just research essential oils and find the best company that you like. And as I said, essential oils comes directly from the plant. So this is directly from rosemary. And rosemary is actually an astringent that balances and tones the skin. So it's awesome. But also when you smell rosemary, it eases stress and gives you a perk-me-up. So along with moisturizing your skin, it's actually going to make you feel good. So we're going to put 5 drops of rosemary in our bottle. And believe it or not, that is your skin moisturizer. So I get one of those makeup cotton pads and I, soak it, put it on my skin, done. This is such a great light daytime moisturizer. Awesome. So to recap, we put half a cup of comfrey tea in here, but you can get the tea of your choice. 2 teaspoons vegetable glycerin that you can get at the health food store. 5 drops of, I used rosemary essential oil, which is awesome. One of my favorite things, light daytime moisturizer that I made myself, that I know what's going into my body. And how long did it take? Except for my yickety yakketing, it would have taken probably less than 2 minutes. So here's the recipe for you to try. Hopefully you can see that and take a nice screenshot. And that's it. Thank you to everybody who's subscribed to my YouTube channel, Nana the Glam Gardener. I appreciate you. Have a great day.